Ooh, pretty. So, this is what we did. Cold start. Here we go. Uh-oh. Apparently, the remote is not working. Ugh. There we go. Hear the ficky. It's lower mainland BC. Let the dulcet tones of the super snoozzys play. Powder coated rocker cover. There's the lines. Powder coated those as well. Let's see. Powder coated the lines, the rocker cover there, and down in there, which is next to impossible to see. I think that's a manifold shining down there. Nah, I don't know. But yeah, looks like it got armor spalled. Not a big Armor All fan, but whatever. It's on there. It's on there. But yeah, that's all powder coated now. So it's a 6-liter, so the cylinder heads weren't leaking, but they were getting ready to start leaking, or the way we're just starting to weep into the cylinders because he's been washing the pistons. This little bastard might be bad, or this one might be bad. It's hard to say because this line here gets hard rubbered. It's very, very hard, and it could be bad. Could be that, or it could be that, or because the vanes inside the turbo might be sticking. If the vanes in the turbo are sticking, the turbo needs to be replaced, rebuilt. That little bastard right in there, or the map sensor under here can be bad. If it's the map sensor, replace it, blah blah blah, or the solenoid, or yeah, solenoid, whatever it is, stepper motor, whatever they want to call it, could be bad. Replace that, and then the turbo vanes will work properly. If it's the map sensor, it could just be that it's not reading properly and it's not letting the turbo kick the spool, or maybe it's just doing a drool. I don't know. But this was a really good price on a rebuild for the motor. The picture you see in the fresh cylinder heads, it's really nice and shiny there, well, silvery. The rest of it's dirty. Same as on the other side. So it got fresh cylinder heads put on it, new clamps, powder coated, not anodized, powder coated the charge air lines. The EGR was supposed to be removed. I'm hoping it was this time, it's not just blocked off. Powder coated the lines, powder coated that, powder coated the rocker covers. But let's fire it up again. Slam the hood. Pull the key wob out. Apparently the truck is sleeping. Now it is a 6-liter, so you do get 6 liters that are So when you see this, Huh? Yeah, kilometers. 121,000. This motor had apparently been into. I did the oil cooler and did the EGR block off at the same time. Do that again because I missed the glue plugs, so I put new glow plugs in it too. It makes the startup a lot nicer, and it fires up almost immediately now. Not slowly. It doesn't drag very much. Turn the wheel this way. I'm hoping what happens is if you're on the throttle hard right now, that boost pressure sensor will climb. You'll hit, 20, 30 pounds of boost. And then as soon as you let off the fuel pedal, that thing will drop right down to zero, right where it's sitting right now. And then you'll be on the fuel pedal again, and it'll just sit there and stare at you and gives you the evil eye. And then all of a sudden she starts climbing, and then she'll all of a sudden take off and she'll give you a full boost again. So it could be that the vanes are sticking, letting everything go to bypass on the turbo. So you're not making boost. It's blocking, not blocking the turbo, but it's got it open to dump straight into the exhaust, not to spool the turbo, which is what it's supposed to do with the variable vane turbo. So you don't make too much boost, when you're full torque at 3,000 RPM, and then you're building like 80 pounds of boost and your cylinder heads go pop, pop, and you blow your motor up. All right, let's take it for a little scoot the boot. All right. Boost is coming up to just under 10 pounds. Camera to the steering wheel. Yeah, right. You can believe that. I'm just holding it. Both hands on the wheel. Safety first. Oh. There's delivering partials there. Oh, my big fun puddle. So, we're just kind of doing a basic run up. Nothing serious. Turbo still there. See? That's what she's doing. Turbo spooling, but she's sleeping. There she comes. See? She's back to life. Oh, lights are all looped up here. It's around the corner. Signal, blinker, blinker, tinky, jinka, brinka, brinky. Off we go. We're gonna do that again. Step into her hard. Yeah. So, I'm gonna just let her coast. Now I'm gonna put her right to the mat. Put her to the boards. Ready, set, go. Now, I expect, she's just not coming back to life here. No turbo play. There she goes. So it could be the vanes. It could be that solenoid's just getting weak and temperamental. It could be the map sensor. Falling off again, and she keeps coming back up. So I don't know. Could be a whole bunch of things. Let's turn the corner here. Oh, and I gotta put some power juice in the steering there. And, oh, I left my coffee cup in here. Oh, heaven forbid. My God. Hey, if you have any ideas on why she does the run out and then the turbo just sucks right out into nothing, feel free to drop me a line. Share it around. I mean, I didn't do the work on the motor. The place that did it is called Redneck Truck Parts. They're in Aldergrove, British Columbia. He's moving. He's not going to be there very much longer. He does sell parts for trucks. The straight pipe exhaust that's in this truck, I bought from him. So I just used bands and put it all back together. The downpipe was brand new stainless steel. I did change out the plastic pipe off the intercooler that has the bellows that stretch, you know, the plastic accordion thing there that they crack and they leak. That's gone. That has a steel pipe. I'm gonna have to check the silicone lines down on the left side here, up on the top, the one on the right side at the bottom, and the one at the top. Make sure that they're not split and leaking, which I don't think they are. Of course, now my truck's complaining like, hey, asshole, you left your seatbelt off. You're gonna die in a crash. You know, horribly, tragically, splattering your goo all over the inside of me. Please put your seatbelt on. No, I'm talking to you. Yeah. Hey, wait. I'm staring at you. Those two big white eyeballs, and you know. Okay, I'm not talking to you anymore, but I'm going to be in a second. So anyway, check both of those. Check the map sensor. Check the Yes, I understand. Shush. Check the map sensor. Check the solenoid on the turbo. You know, we're letting the turbo do a little bit of a cool off here. It's not that it's run very hard. Check those things. Make sure that those are all good. Grab a coat. Check those. Make sure they're all good. If those are not an issue, then it's inside the turbo. And that means that they don't have to pull the cab to do the turbo. They can get it right from underneath the thing there and take it all off. Bit of a pain in the ass, I know. If they do decide to pull the cab off, I'm going to make sure I'm there because I want to pull the frame outside. And as I said earlier, pour 15 the frame, clean it all up. Make sure nobody's coming. Pour 15 the frame. And then get it all painted because the frame's like that. And then this has to be repainted. It kind of got scratched. I don't know if that's... Oh, look at that. That paint just adhered perfectly to that. Oh, yeah. Wonderful. Great primer. And here's a project for Richard's truck. Nice big trail ready bumper. Gonna have to work that one out though. The mount pads. Where's my fingy? Right? Oh yeah, sure. Zoom in there. Right there. Right there. And right there. I don't know if there's a mounting kit from Trail Ready. We gotta call them on Monday. And then we'll be sanding and painting and primering that. Hopefully so the paint doesn't scratch off like on mine. Peace.